Hello once again. Welcome everyone. Let's see a question on mixtures and alligation, mixtures and solution. So here we have a question in front of us. Pause this video, look at the question, try solving it by yourself. Also tell me what you think about the level of difficulty. Is it easy, moderate, or hard? What do you think about it? Write in the comment box along with your answer. Okay, let's see. So question is, milkman mixed 20 liters of water with 80 liters of milk. After selling 1/4 of this mixture, come on, 1/4 मतलब क्या? 20 plus 80 को mix किया तो 100 बनेगा ना? 100 का 1/4 मतलब कितना हो जाएगा? 25 liters. So सीधी बात बोलो क्या? After selling 25 liters of this mixture, he added water, replenish the quantity that he had sold. So to equate the quantity what he has sold. So what he has sold is 25 liters. So that he is going to add as water. That means 25 liters of water into it. What is the current portion of water to milk? That means now we need to find out what is the ratio of water to milk. By the time I've gone through this question, I'm sure most of you have got the answer of this question. Yes, you must have. If yes, then please write in the comment box. I will understand. I will also learn यार. I will also learn with you कि कितना fast आप लोग solve कर पा रहे हो. तो करना क्या है इसमें? You don't have to apply any rule or as such. This is again question where you have a little bit of maths and little bit of logic that makes it quantitative aptitude question, right? So लगाओ logic. तो initially क्या हुआ? What is there initially? No, see, milk and water, they are homogeneous. Homogeneous means they are in same state. Same state means water is also liquid and milk is also liquid. So it will make an homogeneous solution. So here you got 20 liters of water and 80 liters of milk. Now when you say 1/4 of this is sold, so when you mix it, you will get homogeneous solution. मतलब इस 100 लीटर में जो वाटर और मिल्क का रेशो है दैट विल आल्सो बी 20:80, बेसिकली 1:4. The amount which 25 liters which is sold, in this also you will have the milk and water, or other I'll say water and milk in the same ratio. It's an homogeneous solution. Think about it. You can't only sell milk or you can't only sell water, right? You are selling mixture which is homogeneous solution. So इसमें भी जो आप देखो जो आप सेल कर रहे हो, वॉट एवर यू आर सेलिंग, बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बट आई स्टिल वॉन्ट टू गेट इन टू थोड़ा डिटेल सो दैट इवन बिगनर स्टूडेंट्स विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इसी मिक्सचर में से आप सेल कर रहे हो, राइट? सो जो सेल करने वाला, दिस इज 100 लीटर्स, बट जो सेल करने वाला 25 लीटर्स है, इवन दैट विल हैव द रेशियो ऑफ मिल्क एंड वाटर एंड मिल्क सेम. जैसे 20 and 80, दैट्स इन रेशियो 1:4. करेक्ट? तो बोलने वाली बात क्या है कि if you take divide this 25 into 1:4, which makes it 5 and 20, this will be the quantity of milk and water in the portion which you are selling. ये बात समझ में आई क्या? नहीं समझ में आई? थोड़ा और दूसरा एंगल से देखो. If I say I'm selling 1/4 of this mixture, तो ये 20 liters जो water है इसका भी 1/4 माइनस होगा, which is what 5. और जो 80 liters है which is milk, उसका भी 1/4 माइनस होगा, 1/4 of 80, that is 20, right? So this is sold. So how much is left now? अगर आपको ये वाला एंगल समझ में आ रहा है, you can go ahead with this. It's one of the same thing. So water left here is 20 minus 5 is how much? 15. And milk left here is what? 80 minus 20, which is what? 60. Now, after this operation, question said that this equal amount of water has been added. Equal amount of water has been added. So कितना remove किया? 25 liters. तो water कितना add होगा? 25 liters. What is the capacity of water now in that mixture? 15 plus 25. That makes it 40. एंड यहाँ पे तो 60 एज इट इज़ रहा. देखो अभी भी टोटल 100 है, 40 plus 60 is 100. because equal amount has been added, right? So total capacity of the mixture will again be same. So what is the ratio of water to milk? Water to, ये ध्यान रखना, you're having the ratio of water to milk, not milk to water. आंसर में डिफरेंस आएगा. So water to milk, that is what? 4:6, which is nothing but 2:3. Okay, so this is what you get. Is that the question? Water to milk? Yes, this is water to milk. Had it been milk to water, it would have been 3:2. I hope you are getting it. So 2:3, do we have this in the option? Yes, we have it. Option number A, that's the answer. Easy, moderate or hard? What do you think about it? I'm sure all of you, all my students are intelligent. You all must find it easy. Easy है ना, difficult तो नहीं है. देखो फॉर्मूले बहुत कुछ भी फॉर्मूला लगाया नहीं है. ठीक है. This was a different approach. ये रेड लाइन के नीचे this was a different approach and ये अपन ने एक नॉर्मल बेसिक अप्रोच के साथ सॉल्व किया. वो भी बेसिक था, ऐसा बहुत डिफिकल्ट अप्रोच नहीं है, बट आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस फर्स्ट अप्रोच इटसेल्फ. यस, ओके, विद दिस लेट्स लुक एट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.